everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to use Kik Messenger. Kik is a messaging app similar to Facebook Messenger or Instagram direct messages, and it has hundreds of millions of users right now. So I want to show you how to install it and get started with it. So go ahead and jump into the App Store or the Google Play Store and type in KIK, and it should be the one with the logo here, a social networking app. So I'm going to go ahead and install the app, and then I'll launch it for the first time. So once you open the app, this is the start page. So obviously, if you don't have this yet, you're going to have to sign up. If you already have an account, you'll press login here. I'm going to go ahead and sign up since I don't have an account just yet. And here you want to fill this out. It's the simple stuff: first name, last name, username, email, password, birthday, and phone number. So I'm going to go through this process real quick. And make sure when you fill out your birthday, you're at least 13 years old. This app requires you to be at least 13 years old. For notification, I'm just going to say not now, but you could turn that on if you want to. And if you use your phone number, it's going to find friends for you. This is going to go through your contacts. So I'm going to type in my number here. And then you should come to this page. So on this page, you basically want to start by adding contacts. And what you want to do is press the plus sign on the top right. I'm going to press that. And here's the different ways you could find contacts. Find people, scan a Kik code, start a group, public group, or discover bots. You could actually chat with bots if you wanted to here. So I'm going to say find people. And you could find people by username, by phone number, by code. So I'm going to say phone contact. So here I could invite people to go ahead and download the app and chat with me through Kik. Let me go back here. And if you know their username, you could press find by username, type in their username, or you could share your username for other people to find you. And let me go back here. Let me go ahead and press the plus sign one more time. And I'm going to say discover bots so I could show you how to chat. Right now I don't have any friends added here. So I'll just do hangman here, start chatting. So once you get to the chat window, regardless of if you're talking to a friend or if you're talking to a bot, this is what a chat window looks like. So you could basically type your messages here. Underneath that, you have pictures, so you could access your photos here. You could press the camera icon. You have GIFs, and you have emojis. So it's very much like a regular messaging app that you have used in the past. And the cool thing is you could actually use these bots to chat with and even play games right on your phone. Let me just go back here just to show you one more thing. If you press the settings icon on the top left, it will take you to the setting page where you could add a photo, you could find your Kik code here, and you could change your privacy settings. So it's a very simple messaging app. Really, this is the page where you'll do all your messaging and add friends just by pressing the plus sign. And every time you want to message with them, just jump into the chat that you have started with them and type in your message, send GIFs, send images, and so on. I hope this simple tutorial helped you get started with Kik. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for daily social media and tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.